The leader of the country's former liberation war fighters, Ethan Matibela, has condemned attempts by President Mnangagwa to extend his rule beyond 2028. Panapa pachizoita gakava manje. Tikuona maprovince ese, most of the province aiwa ane vanhu vakawandisa vari kuuya vachiti mutungamiri wenyika ngaatonge beyond 2028, but kuna mawo veterans ari kutaura otherwise. Tambe namashoko abuda nyoko panapa muzimu ai ndotibva subscribe like tina on the bell icon. Tipina paendi pawanyora vachiti Matibela said this attempt for Mnangagwa to remain in office beyond his term is unconstitutional. He told the Standard that the third term bid by Mnangagwa's loyalist was being pushed by a few corrupt people singing for their super. The president has clearly stated that he is no longer available for the office beyond 2028 because he wants to rest, and that will give a full praise. What we should be looking at now is his replacement so that we see their capabilities while there is time. For those that continue to advocate his continued position in the government, we know they have their selfish personal interest and can guarantee you that these are the people that we have to confront. They must know that we are coming for them. Ashperi mushe muri kunzwa mathreats ari kubva kumba veterans vachiti aiwa we are coming for them. Vari kutaura panapa kuti mutungamiri wenyika ataura zvakanaka tinoda step down. Why are you chanting that slogan yekuti varamba vachitonga? Vari kuenda against vachiti hatidi zvinhu zvakadaro zviri unconstitutional. Tudze mafungiro enyu pinda mucomment section medu. Musana no subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.